Good morning, everyone. Hope you all are fine. Today we have English class. In English class, we have already started the second lesson, and the name is My Grandparents. So, children, do you remember we have discussed in the last class about the grandparents? Who is our grandparents? Parent of our father or mother. That means grandmother and grandfather, together we say grandparents. Grandmother and grandfather, together we say grandparents. Okay, so all are ready with your textbook? Let's see the first part. Okay, today we will learn about grandparents, says teacher. So when the teacher came to the class, teacher was saying to the children, today we will learn about grandparents, about grandmother and grandfather. So together we say grandparents. So Vinay says, I stay with my mother and father. I miss my grandparents. So Vinay, he was staying with his mother and father. His grandparents are not with him. So he was saying that he is missing their grandparents. So with whom he is staying? With mother and father. Okay. So Stuti and Raghav also live in a small families. Stuti and Raghav, they were saying that they are also living in small families. Small families means there are few members in that family, right? Mother, father, and son and daughter. They are staying together in, that means small family. Few members are there in small families. So Nikhil lives in a big family. So Nikhil, another boy, he was saying that he lives in a big family. So who all are there in that big family? There will be many members in big family. Father, mother, brother, sister, cousins, uncles, aunts and all. So there are big family and small family. Who all are there in small family? There will be few members in small family, father, mother, son and daughter. And in big family, many members are there. Grandparents, father, mother, uncles, aunts and all. So who all stay with you, Nikhil? Asked teacher. So the teacher was asking to Nikhil, who all are staying with you? Because he already said that he is staying in big family, right? My grandparents, uncles, aunts and cousins stay with us. So who all are staying with him? Uncles, aunts, cousins and grandparents. All are staying with him. We all live together in the same house and share everything with each other, says Nikhil. So he was saying we all live together and we share everything in the same house, saying by Nikhil. So who all are there in his family? Grandparents, uncle, aunts, cousins and everyone. And what they do, they share everything together and lives in one family, together in one family. Children, look at this book. Here you can see small family. See, father, mother, son and daughter, right? This is small family. And here in the next page you can see the big family. Who all are there here? Grandfather, grandmother, mother, father, cousin and uncle and cousins. All are staying together in big family. So now let's start the next line. You look very happy, Mohit, says teacher. Mohit says, my grandparents stay with us. They love me. I love them too. My grandfather plays with me. He also tells me many stories. My grandmother makes sweets for me. They give me lots of gifts on my birthday. So, see, teacher was saying that you look very happy, Mohit. Another boy, his name is Mohit. You look very happy. Say, the teacher was saying to Mohit. So Mohit says that my grandparents stay with us. So Mohit grandparents also staying with him, with them. So they love me. He was saying that they love me. I love them too. They also love him and he also loved them. My grandfather plays with me. Yeah, his grandfather is playing with me means with him. Okay, so he was so happy and he also tells me many stories. So grandfather what is doing with him? They are playing with me. Grandfather plays with me. Also tells me many stories. And my grandmother makes sweets for me. So his grandmother what he makes for him? He makes sweets for me. So for him they are making sweets. They give me lots of gift on my birthday. So he was saying that they will give many gifts when his birthday came. So they were giving many gifts. So what all they are doing? Let's see again. So grandfather plays with me. Grandfather is plays with him and he tells many stories. And what is my grandmother is doing? Grandmother makes sweets for him and they give lots of gift for his birthday. So he was very happy. That's why teacher asked him, you look very happy, because their grandmother and grandfather is staying with him. So they will tell him stories, they will give him sweets, gifts, and also he was very happy. In this lesson, you have two more new words, okay? And the one is share. Divide things equally among each other. And the second one is gift. It's a present. So first, share. Children, imagine what is sharing. If you have many chocolates in your hand and you are giving to your friend, so that is sharing. And in the lunch time, you will have many snacks with you. You have many snacks in your snacks box. So you are giving some to your friends. So that is sharing. So giving something to someone is sharing. You are sharing something to others. And next we have gift. It's a present. For your birthday, someone will give you present, right? It's a gift. If your friends are coming with chocolate or some teddy bear or something present they are giving to you is gift. Okay, that means present. So share, what is the spelling? S-H-A-R-E. Share. Divide things equally among each other. And second one, gift. G-I-F-T. Gift means present. Okay. So two more words you have in this lesson. Share and gift. So children, in this lesson we were discussing about grandparents. Who is our grandparents? Our grandmother and grandfather. Together we say grandparents. And we learn about small family and big family. Small family means only few members are there in small family. In big family, there are many members in big family. Then we learn about the members of the family. There are uncle, aunt, grandfather, grandmother, cousins and all the other in family. So what is family? They all live in together in one house. That called family. Grandmother, grandfather, father, mother, cousin, uncle, and all are staying in one family means big family, and small family, father and mother, son and daughter staying together in small family. In this lesson we have learned many members, right? Who all are there? Grandparents, mother, father, uncle and cousins. All are in staying together in a family. So all are there members, family members. So who all are there in family members? Father, mother, grandmother, grandfather, uncle and cousins and all. So who is uncle? Brother of father or mother is our uncle. And who is our aunt? Sister of father or mother. And who is cousins? Children of uncle or aunt. So these are the family members in this lesson we have learned. And one more thing, in this lesson we have learned two more words, right? Which are they? Share and gift. In sharing, we have already said that to give something to someone. If you get something, if you get sweets or chocolates, you are giving to someone is sharing, right? To give him sharing. And in this lesson, Mohit grandparents are staying with him, and their grandfather tell him stories, and he is playing with him. And what the grandmother is doing? Grandmother will make sweets and they will give gift for his birthday. So he was very happy. So the teacher was asking to him, you are Mohit, you are very happy. Why? Because the grandparents is staying with him and they are doing all this for him. So he was very happy. Okay. In this lesson, you have 7 new words to write in your notebook. And the first one is grandparents. Grandparents, and the spelling is G-R-A-N-D. Grandparents. P-A-R-E-N-T-S. Grandparents. So who is grandparents? Grandmother, grandfather. Together we say grandparents. And the next, family. The spelling is F-A-M-I-L-Y. All members are staying in same house. Together staying in same house called family. And spelling is F-A-M-I-L-Y. Family. And the next one, uncle. Brother of father or mother is our uncle. So write the spelling is U-N-C-L-E. Uncle. And the next one, aunt. Sister of father or mother. Aunt. Spelling A-U-N-T. Aunt. And the next one, cousin. C-O-U-S-I-N. Cousin. So who is cousin? Children of uncle or aunt. And the next, share. S-H-A-R-E. Share. We have discussed today, right? Share. To give something to someone. Share. So write share also. And after that, gift. G-I-F-T. Gift. It's a present. Someone give you present, right? So if someone for birthday, someone is giving you present, that we say gift. So these all you have to write in your notebook and send me to Google Classroom. How many times you have to write? 10 times. Okay. Also, after writing this, read the textbook for 5 times. Okay, all the words I have written in this board now. So these are the new words. So after writing, you will get to know so fast. So what you have to do? You have to read 5 times the textbook. Then it will be easy for you. Okay. So you will do this? I think yes. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.